Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily invite someone to a group on WhatsApp. Now this can be really helpful if you're not actually the admin of the chat, because as an admin you can add anyone you like, but if you're not an admin you have to invite people, you can't automatically add someone. So I'm going to show you the way to do this now. To start with, you want to open which chat you want to invite someone to. I'm using this one for this example. So what you want to do is you want to click the button at the top which shows you your group chat name, and from here we just scroll down to the bottom. So as you can see, there's a section that shows you how many participants are actually in the group. And if we wanted to invite someone to a group on WhatsApp, what we're going to do is click invite to group via link. Now what this will do is open this page and it will give you a few different options to share this link. So you can share it via WhatsApp if you want to send it to a contact that's already got WhatsApp. Or with the second option, you can share the link through another app. So if you have them on Snapchat or iMessage, for example, you can select that and it will automatically send them a message with that link that they can click. Or if you want just the link, you want to select the third option, copy link. From there it will be copied to clipboard. You can then go into whatever app or email you wanted to send it on, and you can click paste and the chat link will be there. And the fourth and final option is QR code. This would probably be the best option if you're with someone in real life. If they're right next to you, for example, you could bring up your QR code and they can scan it and they can automatically be invited and added into the group. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it helped you and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.